வணக்கம். 9th Standard Science English Medium Unit number 8 Sound Textbook Exercises. Choose the correct answer. Which of the following vibrates when a musical note is produced by the cymbals in an orchestra? Answer option D, metal plates. Sound travels in air. Here our answer is option C, if both particles as well as disturbance move from one place to another. A musical instrument is producing continuous note. This note cannot be heard by a person having a normal hearing range. This note must then be passing through. Answer option B, vacuum. The maximum speed of vibrations which produces audible sound will be in. Answer option B, ground glass. The sound waves travel faster. Answer option C, in solids. Fill in the blanks. Sound is a dash wave and needs a material medium to travel. Here answer is longitudinal. Sound is a longitudinal wave and needs a material medium to travel. Number of vibrations produced in 1 second is. Answer frequency. Number of vibrations produced in 1 second is frequency. The velocity of sound in solid is dash than the velocity of sound in air. Answer greater. The velocity of sound in solid is greater than the velocity of sound in air. Vibration of object produces dash. Answer sound. Vibration of object produces sound. Loudness is proportional to the square of the dash. Answer amplitude. Loudness is proportional to the square of the amplitude. Dash is a medical instrument used for listening to sounds produced in the body. Answer stethoscope. Stethoscope is a medical instrument used for listening to sounds produced in the body. The repeated reflection that results in persistence of sound is called dash, reverberation. The repeated reflection that results in persistence of sound is called reverberation. Match the following. Tuning fork, production of sound. Tuning fork, production of sound. Sound, longitudinal wave. Sound, longitudinal wave. Compressions, maximum displacement from the equilibrium position. Maximum displacement from the equilibrium position. Amplitude, the sound whose frequency is greater than 20,000 Hz. Amplitude, the sound whose frequency is greater than 20,000 Hz. Ultrasonics, the point where density of air is maximum. Ultrasonics, the point where density of air is maximum. Answer briefly. Through which medium sound travels faster, iron or water? Give reason. Answer, sound travels faster in iron. Reason, the speed of sound depends on the density of the medium. Iron density is greater than water density. Name the physical quantity whose SI unit is Hertz. Define. Frequency, the number of vibrations produced in 1 second is called frequency of the wave. It is denoted as N. What is meant by supersonic speed? Answer: when the speed of any object exceeds the speed of sound in air, that is 330 meter per second, it is said to be traveling in supersonic speed. Example: bullets, jet, etc. Fourth question: how does the sound produced by a vibrating object in a medium reach your ears? Answer: when a rarefaction reaches in it. In this way, the eardrum vibrates. The vibrations are amplified several times by three bones: the hammer, anvil, and stirrup in the middle of the ear. The vibrations are amplified several times by three bones in the middle ear. The middle ear transmits the amplified pressure variations received from the sound wave to the inner ear. In the inner ear, the pressure variations are turned into electrical signals by the cochlea. These electrical signals are sent to the brain via the auditory nerve, and the brain interprets them as sound. Fifth question: you and your friend are on the moon. Will you be able to hear any sound produced by your friend? Answer: sound needs a medium to propagate. So, we will not be able to hear any sound on the moon. Moon does not have any atmosphere. Answer in detail. Describe with diagram how compression and rarefactions are produced. The wave that propagates with compression and rarefaction are called longitudinal waves. In longitudinal waves, the particles of the medium move to and fro along the direction of propagation of the wave. Sound is also a longitudinal wave. Sound can travel only when there are particles which can be compressed and rarefied. Compressions are the region where particles are crowded together. Rarefactions are the regions of low pressure where the particles are spread apart. A sound wave is an example of a longitudinal mechanical wave. Second question: verify experimentally the law of reflection of sound. Verify experimentally the laws of reflection of sound. The laws of reflection are: the angle in which the sound is incident is equal to the angle in which sound is reflected. Direction of incident sound, direction of the reflected sound, and the normal are in the same plane. Take two identical pipes as shown in below. You can make the pipes using chart paper. The length of the pipes should be sufficiently long as shown in the figure. Arrange them on a table near wall. Keep a clock near the open end of one of the pipes and try to hear the sound of the clock through the other pipe. Adjust the position of the pipe so that you can best hear the sound of the clock. Now, measure the angle of incidence and reflection and see the relationship between the angles. Lift the pipes on the right vertically to a small height and observe what happens. Third question: list the application of sound. Musical instruments: megaphones, loudspeakers, horns. Musical instruments such as nadaswaram, senai, and trumpets are all designed to send sound in a particular direction without spreading it in all directions. In these instruments, a tube followed by a conical opening reflects sound successfully to guide most of the sound waves from the source in the forward direction towards the audience. Stethoscope. Stethoscope is a medical instrument used for listening to sounds produced in the body. In stethoscope, these sounds reach doctor's ears by multiple reflections that happen in the connecting tube. Applications of ultrasonic waves. Ultrasound can be used in cleaning technology. Minute foreign particles can be removed from objects placed in a liquid bath through which ultrasound is passed. Ultrasounds can also be used to detect cracks and flaws in metal blocks. Ultrasonic waves are made to reflect them from various parts of the heart and form the image of the heart. This technique is called echocardiography. Ultrasound may be employed to break small stones formed in the kidney into fine grains. These grains later get flushed out with urine. Sonar. Sonar stands for sound navigation and ranging. Sonar is a device that uses ultrasonic waves to measure the distance, direction, and speed of underwater objects. ECG. The electrocardiogram (ECG) is one of the simplest and oldest cardiac investigations available. It can provide a wealth useful information and remains an essential part of the assessment of cardiac patients. In ECG, the sound variation produced by heart is converted into electric signals. Fourth question, explain how does sonar work? Sonar stands for sound, navigation and ranging. Sonar is a device that uses ultrasonic waves to measure the distance, direction and speed of underwater objects. Sonar consists of a transmitter and a detector and is installed at the bottom of boats and ships. The transmitter produces and transmits ultrasonic waves. These waves travel through water and after striking the object on the seabed gets reflected back and are sensed by the detector. The detector converts the ultrasonic waves into electrical signals which are approximately interrupted. The distance of the object that reflected the sound wave can be calculated by knowing the speed of sound in water and the time interval between transmission and reception of ultrasound. Let the time interval between transmission and reception of ultrasound signal be t and the speed of sound through seawater be d2d is equal to v into t. This method is called echo ranging. Sonar technique is used to determine the depth of the sea and to locate underwater hills, valleys, submarine, icebergs, etc. Numerical problems. The frequency of a source of sound is 600 Hz. Calculate the number of times it vibrates in a minute. Given frequency of sound is 600 Hz, 1 second is equal to 600 Hz, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 60 seconds is equal to 60 into 600 is equal to 36,000 times. Source of vibrate 36,000 times. Second question, a stone is dropped from the top of a tower 750 meter high into the pond of water and the base of tower. Calculate the number of sounds for the splash to be heard. Given g is equal to 10 meter per second square and speed of sound is equal to 340 meter per second. Given height s is equal to 750 meters, speed of sound u is equal to 0, g is equal to 10 meter per second square. Speed of sound is equal to 340 meter per second square. Here formula used is s is equal to ut1 plus half at1 square. 7s is equal to s வந்து you have to substitute for s 750 u0 into t1 plus half into a 10 and t1 we have to find. 750 is equal to 5 t t1 square. T1 square is equal to 750 by 5. Therefore t1 is equal to, if we simplify, we get 12.25 second. Time t2 is equal to distance by speed is equal to 750 by 340. Time t2 is equal to distance by speed is equal to 750 by 340. T2 is equal to 2.205 second. The time for splash sound heard at the top is t is equal to t1 plus t2 is equal to, here we have find t1 is equal to 12.25 second plus t2 also we have find 2.205 second. So we have to add both 12.25 plus 2.205. T is equal to 14.4555 second. 14.455 second. Thank you.
മനതിലേ